It's Peter Obi. Peter Obi.
I mean, as an obedient citizen of Nigeria, we all know who's going to be, right? Peter Obi.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Lion Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delighting, and much interesting video here on the channel. Now, this one is love. I'll just say love and declaration. You know, people who really want their voices to be heard. Now, and this video it's actually in two sections. First section, number one, this lady actually donated her school for election, and at the same time she said it's open if INEC officials can come there, allow people to register and get their PVC in her school. As well, again, the other part of the video here is about this particular guys who took it to the street of Lagos. And yes, we are giving credit to them. It belongs to Short Lips TV. Yes, they actually did an amazing one here, and all of this is what I want you guys to see. Now, if you were to vote, who exactly do you want to win the 2023 election? Drop that
who
in
become the next
section.
president come 2023? Is it Atiku? Is it Tinubu? Is it Peter Obi? Or is it?
Don't even give me options. Tinubu is the man.
Tinubu is the best. I see Atiku to be the next president of Nigeria.
I just want Peter Obi.
Well, Atiku is the winner.
I prefer Tinubu.
I prefer Atiku.
To me, I think Peter Obi is the best person we actually need.
I think it will be Tinubu. I prefer Atiku.
I will opt for Peter Obi.
I think Atiku will edge Tinubu.
Peter Obi.
I feel it's Tinubu.
Tinubu.
Fair Peter Obi.
Peter Obi is my choice.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
My heart says Peter Obi.
It's Tinubu.
Tinubu by God's grace.
I would love for Peter Obi to come out as next president.
Obviously, everybody wants Peter Obi to be president.
I want and I pray Obi emerge the winner. That's Labour Party.
Peter Obi is the next governor. Everybody knows that.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
I hope and I pray Peter Obi wins.
I will vote for Peter Obi.
For my own article.
We need Peter Obi. Tinubu is going to win.
Peter Obi will win.
Peter Obi is our president.
Peter Obi.
I say Peter Obi.
Tinubu to me.
Baba Tinubu.
I'm rooting for Peter Obi.
It's Peter Obi.
Asiwaju Ahmed Tinubu.
I think Atiku.
I see Peter Obi.
The youth candidate, which is Peter Obi.
It's Tinubu.
Tinubu.
Prefer Peter Obi. Atiku.
It's Peter Obi. Peter Obi.
I mean, as an obedient citizen of Nigeria, we all know who's going to be, right? Peter Obi for president.
Yeah. Good day, viewers. My name is Princess Yinka Alfohai. I am speaking from Sabugida Ora, and by the grace of God, the place I'm standing now used to be my office. I'm an entrepreneur. This used to be the premises of Citrus Keys Academy, duly registered with CAC. But for my zeal and my desire for a greater Nigeria, I decided to give it up for Peter Obi campaign office. So officially, I'm declaring this place open today as Onwa West Labour Party Secretariat, a campaign office for Peter Obi. This is my desire, and I wish that everybody around Onwa area who wish to know more about this organization, this body, this race that we are running to take back Nigeria, you are free to come here. I could give you my contact anytime so that you can contact me and let's get started. This project must come to pass. Thank you.
That was an amazing love and show of support all through out there. Now you could see the gap from the voting on the street. Now imagine if this election was done in a way where people just go to the street and ask people randomly who they want to become the next president of Nigeria, just the way they did here on Short Lips TV. And I know a whole lot of people will really come out and show their rightful support of who they want to. And yes, Peter Obi is still going to win because the love is just too much on the streets of Nigeria entirely, north, south, east, west. Everybody wants a new change. This guy is actually not preaching, he's actually not, giving any promises whatsoever. He's only telling you that I can change this country if I have he's not even telling you he can change the country. Anyway, still enjoy this part of the video here. Don't forget to drop a comment. Who do you vote come 2023?
Predict who will become the next president come 2023? Is it Atiku? Is it Tinubu? Is it Peter Obi, or is it?
Don't even give me options. Tinubu is the man.
Tinubu is the best. I see Atiku to be the next president of Nigeria.
I just want Peter Obi. Well, Atiku is the winner.
I prefer Tinubu.
I prefer Atiku.
To me, I think Peter Obi is the best person we actually need.
I think it will be Tinubu. I prefer Atiku. I will opt for Peter Obi.
I think Atiku will edge Tinubu.
Peter Obi.
I feel it's Tinubu.
Tinubu.
Prefer Peter Obi.
Peter Obi is my choice.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
My heart says Peter Obi.
It's Tinubu.
Tinubu by God's grace.
I would love for Peter Obi to come out as next president.
Obviously, everybody wants Peter Obi to be president.
I want and I pray Obi emerge the winner. That's Labour Party.
Peter Obi is the next governor. Everybody knows that.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi. Peter Obi.
I hope and I pray Peter Obi wins.
I will vote for Peter Obi.
For my own article.
We need Peter Obi. Tinubu is going to win.
Peter Obi will win. Peter Obi is our president.
Peter Obi.
I say Peter Obi.
Tinubu to me.
Baba Tinubu.
I'm rooting for Peter Obi.
It's Peter Obi.
Asiwaju Ahmed Tinubu.
I think Atiku.
I see Peter Obi.
The youth candidate, which is Peter Obi.
It's Tinubu.
Tinubu.
Prefer Peter Obi.
Atiku Abubakar.
It's Peter Obi. Peter Obi.
I mean, as an obedient citizen of Nigeria, we all know who's going to be, right? Peter Obi for president.